Now, if you're the defendant, you're watching to see, or the defense lawyer, when the jury comes in, you're watching to see if they make eye contact with you.
Absolutely.
If enough of them do, you're acquitted. If none of them do, not good.
Sonia P. Mark, did you feel it was not guilty when you saw the jury come in? Sometimes you can get an indication, sometimes you can't. What was your thought?
Ooh, that's a great question, because now I'm going to tell you something I haven't said publicly. I don't even know if I should, but I will, because I love you and your audience deserves it. So when they came in, because it was 20 hours, our confidence had kind of waned a little bit. Like, I don't know. I should be not guilty, but I don't know. And then they came in, and I'm staring at the same jurors that I came to know and like, and one in particular, I'm looking at her, and my eyes said to her, I can't take this. You got to give me a signal. And she gave me like a nod like this. And my client
happens all the time.
He said it too. Not all the time.
I'm saying
I needed,
not always good, but like
right.
you can try to read into something. Sometimes it's wrong. But in my last trial, there was a young guy that didn't ask a single question or do anything throughout the whole trial. And then when they came in for the verdict, he was literally doing this to me. I was like, I don't know what that means, but I hope it's good. And it was good. But like, jurors will not do eye contact sometimes, especially in criminal cases. They'll look at the floor when they come back. Right. So, I mean, that's a pretty good indication. That's awesome.
You never know. And even the foreperson, there were times where the witness would say something outrageous. And then I would look at him, and he would literally, this was his reaction, literally just like this. I mean, that turned out to be our foreperson. I knew that there was no way he was going to convict. I knew it.
And I mean, usually that's what takes so long sometimes is there's a holdout. They need to be convinced.
I don't think that, yes, generically in this case.
You don't think so?
I know the look of dissension. When they come back in from a day, I never saw it. They were just being thorough. You had a guy who just wanted to review 6 hours of video. They wanted to go through everything. There were notes everywhere, I'm sure. Graphs, charts. That's just how he thinks. That's not how I am.
That's interesting.